guys, welcome back to AKA Ranch and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing things a little different. I don't think you're going to notice much of a difference on your end, but it's going to be different for me on my end. I'm going to be videoing content during the week and then trying to post it at the end of the week, or at least sit down and edit it at the end of the week. So hopefully this will mean for you is that I'll be putting out more videos and just kind of film my day-to-day tasks that I do here on the ranch. And not just stuff that I do on the outside, but some of the stuff that I do inside, some cooking. Yes, I do a lot of the cooking around here. And then hopefully I'll be able to show you some of the things that I do for fun and entertainment as well. So well-rounded content instead of just big projects that I have going on. So hopefully this will work out. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to give it a shot for maybe the next month or two and see how easy it flows. I do not like standing in front of a camera by myself and talking to myself. Let's give this a shot and let's see how this goes. So today what I've got going on is a couple chores that I have lined up, and we'll go from there. All right, man, you guys come along and let's see what the day brings. First things first, let's get the side-by-side started up. We will go check on the cows and check on some of the water situation. Let's go for a little ride. Alright. Yeah, looks like the water's still on. Got a message from Browns Valley Irrigation District, and they said that our water should be turned off on Monday, and today is Wednesday. The water's still going, but it takes about a day and a half for the water to dry out all the way up. It does look like it's running a little slower than it usually does. Yeah, this is one of the best views of our property. Let's go check on the cows. End of the season, I've been limping this sprinkler all the way till the end. One of the cows knocked this over and stepped on it, bent it all up, and I kind of put it back together to try to prolong its life. So it made it till the end of the season, so I guess that's good. I don't know if I'll try to fix it, but as you can see, this is definitely bent and broken. So that's why I don't buy expensive sprinklers to go out here with the cows. Yeah, they work great, made out of some kind of metal, and you think that they will last. But not with the cows. Cows love to rub on things that, especially that are expensive. It's one of the reasons why I make my own sprinklers. I have a video on how I make this out of PVC pipe and some fittings, and they seem to work out pretty well. And if the cows break them, I can always just glue them back together or just make a new one. This is cheap. This cost me about $7 in fittings. Cows are sure curious. Anytime I do anything here, they love walking up and seeing what you're doing. Kind of like good friends, you know? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? You guys want to be on camera? Huh? There's 23. 23. Look at his hair. He has the best hair. Come here. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Even though you're a girl. Such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Look at your hair. Look at your hair. Are you pregnant? Huh? Are you pregnant? Are you with child? Alright, this is another part of my day. So we got a new recipe here. Haven't made this before. Creamy mushroom chicken and wild rice soup. Let's see how this goes. So yeah, this is another part of AK Ranch that I haven't posted anything about. This is the part where I become domesticated. Yeah. So I do most of the grocery shopping and most of the cooking because my wife works and I'm kind of like the stay-at-home housekeeper. So when she's at work, I do most of the household stuff like cooking and shopping and make sure that we have a bunch of yummy food and have plenty of groceries in the house. So I figured if I'm going to show what I do during the day, I might as well show everything, and this is part of my day. It's around 6 o'clock at night and I am getting ready to start dinner. So let's go ahead and get that dinner started. First things first, I need to roast some chicken breast. Alright, prep work is moving along. Got the chicken breast all oiled up, getting ready to get roasted. So I'm going to roast some chicken breast and start with the rest of the soup. Chicken's roasted, time to start the mushrooms and get the rice going. Let's get this thing wrapped up. Alright. Mushrooms look good. They released all their juices and all those juices have evaporated. Good stuff. Mushrooms done. Alright. So now we're adding carrots, celery, and onions. Saute this for a little bit and a tablespoon of butter. Add some salt, a little bit of fresh ground pepper. Ah, the smell. Smells good. Alright, so it's looking good. Nice and sauteed and rendered down to a little bit. Got a teaspoon of thyme. Some garlic. So you can smell it. Smells good. 6 cups of chicken stock. Got a couple of wild rice. So then we add a couple cups of roasted chicken breast and return the mushrooms that we sauteed earlier. Bring it to a boil, and then once it gets to a boil, we're going to cover it for about 20 minutes until the rice is done, and then the next step. Alright, it's been about 25 minutes. Let's check to see if the rice is done. See about another 5 minutes. It's close. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes. The rice is cooked. Smells yummy. Got a cup of whole milk and a cup Parmesan cheese. And there you go. What's up, guys? So it has been a couple of days since the last couple clips that I've shown. So one of the bad things about living this far away from everything is when you do have errands to run, doctor's appointments and such, it pulls me away from the ranch. So what ends up happening, I still have to do my daily chores, but I just don't have that much time to pull the camera out and film some content. So I'm going for a video every 7 days. So that is what I'm going for. 5 days of recording stuff, 2 days to edit and post. So today is day 5. Record what I'm doing today, and then we'll see how long it takes me to edit it and post it. It's kind of chilly, low 40s. Definitely a change in the weather. It feels good. We got about an inch of rain in the last few days, so it's kind of muddy around here. But still got to do the chores. Giving the cows a little treat this morning. They really enjoy that hay. Look at them, making a mess. There's 21, 22, and 23, and this is the bull that's on loan. Hopefully 23, 22, and 21 are pregnant. They should have their babies in late April, early May. There you go. 5 minutes of work. Make my life a lot easier. Now they have 2 watering buckets. Chicken should be happy. Seems to hold water pretty well. Alright. Mark that off the list of things I need to do. I remember when Melissa ordered this wagon, gave her a hard time because it was kind of expensive. And it's just a wagon. I think I use this thing more than she does. Great way to haul wood back and forth and to haul a bunch of things on the ranch, since as you can see outside, we definitely live on a nice steep kind of hill. And with these big tires, and tires being tires having inner tubes in them, it makes it easy going up and down these hills. Bad thing is they usually have slow leaks, so you definitely have to keep these tires inflated, because if they're a little bit low, it's harder to pull anything up the hills. So get these tires filled up. So, irrigation season is over with. It's always a happy time of year when they turn the water off. Yeah, it definitely changes what I do here day to day on the ranch when irrigation season is finally over with. I always kind of reflect back on the year at the end of irrigation season, how that last about 6 months has gone with watering the ranch. And one of the improvements I did, I put a on-off valve on each individual sprinklers, which definitely helped. I can turn just the sprinklers off one at a time and cycle through them. Definitely helped, and it was definitely a improvement over what I was doing in the prior years. That's a little bit of progress. Each year I try to make it a little more easier to do and a little more efficient. And I think I accomplished that this year. Maybe during the off season I'll lay down some more 2-inch pipe throughout our property to where I can run sprinklers a little further out away from our house. But anyway, irrigation season's over. I'm going to open up a couple valves to let the rainwater run throughout. And then I have to go around and pick up all our hoses and all our sprinklers and store them in to get them out of the weather. But that's for another day. So today I'm just kind of opening the valves up. All right, chores are all done. Got all that stuff out of the way. About the middle of the day. And it's time for me to get a run in. Don't know how well running and holding this camera is going to work. Give it a shot, see what happens. But anyway, something that I try to do 3 times a week. I don't always accomplish that, but 3 times a week to get a nice run in. So here we go. Let's get this run done and over with. Hill. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys come back soon. If you're on YouTube, why don't you subscribe to my channel, and if you're on Facebook, give me a thumbs up and leave some comments below. Hope you guys will have a good week, and I will talk to you soon. See ya!